supplies you're going to need will be an old towel, a sheet or some type of fabric, scissors, a pen, a ruler or some type of straight edge, and then a sewing needle and string. To begin, use a straight edge or ruler and a pen to delineate the size of your unpaper towels. And then you're going to cut out the rectangles with your scissors. Next, cut your sheet/fabric into the same size as the paper towels. Cut away any excess on the edges as needed, and now you are going to sew the sheet to your towel. You can use one continuous string to go all the way around, or you can switch at the edges like I did if you want to use a different color string for each of them. Lastly, cut away any leftover edges. Now you have a cute and reusable alternative to paper towels.